Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news. Not much happening for earnings reports this morning, but we will see which stocks are the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Also this morning, I'm excited to introduce you to the TipRanks new advanced chart for those of you looking to do maybe a bit more of a technical deep dive into your favorite stocks. You can find the TipRanks technical analysis graph under the chart section of any of your favorite stocks. You're able to toggle between different time periods and different chart types as well, along with other studies and comparisons. You can look at the baseline chart along with the popular candlestick view, and on top of this, you can also add in earnings and ratings. This will allow you to see when on the chart earnings came out and also all of the analyst ratings on that stock, and if you click on them, you can see who they are and the price targets attached to them as well. Now that is a super quick and high-level overview of the technical chart so that I don't take up too much of your morning, but I highly recommend heading over to the TipRanks website and seeing all the features available to you on the new chart. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are once again in the red. Currently, Dow futures are down 0.38%, S&P 500 futures down 0.47%, and NASDAQ futures down 0.52%. General Motors is entering the energy business as they announce they're forming a new business unit called GM Energy. This new unit will offer stationary battery packs, solar panels, electric vehicle chargers, and other energy management products for both home and businesses. It'll include their Ultium Home and Ultium Commercial to create a holistic ecosystem of energy management products and services. GM Energy has also developed a cloud product that houses data and management software and ties all of these hardware products together, ultimately balancing out the power grid while providing an incentive to EV owners. Analysts currently rate the GM stock a moderate buy with an average upside of nearly 62%. Delta Airlines has announced a multi-year partnership and $60 million investment into electric vertical takeoff and landing company Joby Aviation. The companies will work together to integrate a Joby-operated service into Delta's customer-facing channels, offering sustainable home-to-airport transportation starting in New York and Los Angeles. Customers in these cities will be able to reserve a seat for short-range journeys to and from their city's airports when booking Delta travel. Analysts currently rate the Delta Airlines stock a strong buy with an average upside of 52%. While the Joby Aviation stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside of 95%, with the most recent ratings coming in 2 months ago. Tesla had a record number of vehicle deliveries in China for the month of September. Tesla's Shanghai plant churned out more than 83,000 Model 3s and Model Ys for delivery in September, which crossed the previous record high figure of 78,906, which was achieved in June of this year. Tesla, which was once the largest EV producer in China, has been working on getting its leading position back in the market after suffering COVID-19 related production setbacks. Analysts currently rate the Tesla stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 36%. And shares of Zscaler are falling after it was announced that their chief technical officer, Amit Sinha, had resigned. The resignation is effective as of October 21st. He was also the president of R&D, operations, and customer service. He has taken up the position of CEO at a privately held tech company. He will continue to be on the company's board of directors. Analysts do currently rate the stock a strong buy with an average upside of 39%. Now, like I said, not much happening on the earnings calendar today. Things will start to pick up with some bigger names tomorrow, so we're going to move right along to the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Joby Aviation on the news of their partnership with Delta Airlines. Trading under the ticker JOBY, their stock is up nearly 11%. They're followed by the ICL Group under the ticker ICL, up 5.43%, and Immunity Bio under the ticker IBRX, up nearly 5%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Clearway Energy. I wasn't able to find any negative news out there, just an announcement that their earnings report would be coming out on November 2nd. They trade under the ticker CWENA and are currently down 9.6%. They're followed by Leggett & Platt under LEG down 7.7% and Excel Service Holdings under EXLS down nearly 7.5%. So that is going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, say good morning in the comments down below, and let me know your thoughts on the new technical chart. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.